So I'm really grateful to be able to do this at home. A brush came. Hold on, let me get my camera right. I got my beta suit on. You know, I was out there doing the water aerobics this morning, so pardon me. Okay, got the directions. I got a brush, a detangling brush, and these are nice.
Okay,
You've
that's
given
your
me one of
bonus.
these.
Okay, that's not in the kit, but that's your bonus.
Okay, y'all can't have this. Okay, okay. Two cats, but here's the meat and potatoes right here. The dandada. Okay, so we got. Okay, that's the balance conditioner. Okay, I'm gonna go through the whole thing. So this is the shampoo, which I love because I swim a lot and I wash my hair a lot. So this keeps my hair straight. So the shampoo, got the conditioner.
Which those are the maintenance products.
Yeah.
Those are the
Okay.
maintenance products. So take out the Clarity shampoo.
Oh, I love the Clarity shampoo
Yeah.
because I do swim. You started me on
Yeah.
that years ago. Okay, so the Clarity shampoo.
Yeah. So that would be step one because the Clarity shampoo is going to help open get all the buildup off the hair so that you can get the best absorption of the treatment.
Okay, I'm gonna put this over here because I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair. Okay, then the second step would be, it wouldn't be the SilkOut serum, it would be this. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. Okay, so here it is right here. All right, this is like a reaction video because I've never seen this before. Silkening cream, 4 ounce, sample only, not for retail. Okay. Ooh, it smells nice. You know we smell
And that's
everything.
only 4 ounces, but your hair, you could definitely get 2 uses out of that. It's really designed for one because some people have really thick, long hair, but for
Okay.
people with finer hair,
Mm-hmm.
they can get 2 uses out of it.
Okay. I think I'll use the other one on my granddaughter's hair.
Mm-hmm.
Huh.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
All right, you guys. So Lady J has clarified her hair with the Clarity shampoo, which is step one. And now she's just gingerly parting it in sections so that she can apply the treatment. The sections are probably not perfect because she has no conditioner on her hair. Her bleached hair is very, very porous on the end, so it can tend to be a little tangled. So I just want her to just gingerly separate it. Once she begins to apply the treatment, it will immediately start to absorb into her strands and start to correct her hair. And as you can see, she's not using a lot of product, you guys. Her hair is very porous and she has fine strands, and she bleaches. So she doesn't need a lot of product. We currently have a 4 ounce jar, but we actually are going to be doing a 2 ounce jar because we're just trying to mitigate any issues and really minimize it to the amount of treatment that you will actually need. So now you see she's working it through with the detangle brush. She's not losing any hair. You see how it immediately refreshed her hair and restored it in the cortex area, and the cuticle began to close down so that she can comb through it without any struggle. So this is really, really good for her hair because of the color. She gets a lot of bleaching done to her hair, so you're gonna just see the quality when she rinses it out, how much plumper and fuller the strands are. She's not gonna do any thermal work to her hair because she mostly wears it curly a lot, and she swims a lot. So she swims and she wears a lot of color. So this treatment is great for restoring and rebuilding her strands to keep them strong, prevent shedding, and correct porosity and correct the moisture levels in her hair. So you can see this full live on our Instagram channel, and we actually loaded it on here. We understood it's a bit long, so I was like, how can I chop this up a little bit so you guys can just get to the meat and potatoes? Although the live itself is good, I've been getting a lot of thumbs up with the entire video for those who like to watch entire videos, because I drop a lot of juicy nuggets when I talk. So everyone has, I got a lot of comments saying that was a great video. And of course they went and bought the product. So the results are coming in and they're phenomenal. The product just does exactly what it says it's gonna do: restore and rebuild hair and keep it strong. So if you are growing your hair out, you need it to stay strong. You need it to be balanced, so that it stays at its optimum health. So she's gonna finish working through this last section. Then she's just gonna comb it through, and she's doing her little twisty knots, and she's just gonna put a plastic cap on. So her hair is fine. So it's probably gonna sit on her hair about 15-20 minutes. Then she can rinse it out and do her style of choice. It's really that simple. Now, if you have really thick, coarse hair, of course, you'll probably realize you'll need up to about 2 ounces of product. We're gonna do the kits to where we actually have like a plus kit for someone. If you know your hair may take a little more
I
than
don't
2
think
ounces, it's
so.
gonna have a double portion of treatment. But we're
I
really
don't
trying
think
to keep
so.
one size, one
But
jar,
how does
one
it feel?
label,
It
and
feels
then make kits that
amazing.
have like
It feels
bonus
great
product
in my
Yeah, it
curl
doesn't. Yeah,
hair.
it
for
doesn't look
someone. So
dry, and
she's
she
rinsed
doesn't
it
have
out,
any
you guys.
styling
She hasn't
product
even
on
put
it.
any
None.
styling product on her hair or
None.
leave-in.
I came
So
straight
she's
from the
back,
sink.
and
Yeah,
we'll
she
let
doesn't have
her
any stuff.
talk.
So imagine when she puts the styling product on there. See, it's not tangled up. It's not all locked up and how it was before. Yeah, so wait till she puts her styling products on. Those curls are gonna pop. Yeah, it's a visible difference. Oh my God, it looks good. It's a visible difference just before you put the finishing products on. That's what I love about it. It's
And
like you can,
it brought my color out. Like it looks golder. Like it
yeah.
lifted the color. It looks like
hmm hmm
so.
But it doesn't lift the color, but because the hair is healthier and good condition, it reflects light better. So it looks, yeah. Yeah,
Uh,
I can take someone with old color, and when they get a treatment, it almost looks like their color is new.
oh wow.
hmm
So
But like, just one second, just that shot right there, it looks plumper, Bridget. Yep, she said it looks fuller, and it's it looks calmer. And she doesn't even have styling product on it yet. It looks calmer. Even though she's manipulating it with her hands, her curls look calm. They don't look like, you know, that's the cuticle going, ah! And it's like feed me and not hair and not food products. I'm not saying put food in the hair. Nourish the strand, repair and rebuild the strand. Yeah, it looks good without any. That's without any. This picture, you guys, if you're watching the replay, is no product in her hair other than she's just rinsed out the conditioner. She's rinsed out the treatment, but there's no styling product. So imagine when she puts her Hydra Silk on or
let
Silk
me
Out
go get my
Serum.
Hydra
Go,
Silk. You know
girl, go
that's my
get your
favorite.
stuff.
You know
Yes,
that's my favorite.
yes.
I love me some Hydra. I was hoping you would say, okay, put the Hydra Silk in.
She just wanted to do her hair on live. Yours would be fuzzy, new me. Um, it would be calmer. It would definitely be calmer, and you would be able to style it more easier. So what you got? You got some silk out serum?
I do. Which one should I use
Put a,
first?
put a little bit of silk out serum. That's just my big go-to for retaining moisture. But
Okay.
I'll be honest, the Hydra Silk is like mega moisture leave-in styling. Ugh.
Okay.
But that
This Silk Out Serum.
yeah,
Uh,
that's our secret sauce to the silk press. That's the heat protector. About a good nickel size for your hair.
okay.
hmm
I got that.
Mid shaft to ends. Just massage it through. Like, so rub it in your hands first,
I
and
did.
then,
I did.
oh, okay, okay,
You
okay,
taught me that. You
okay,
taught me
okay,
that. So
okay.
I did.
Where's my light? I'm using my computer for a light. Okay, come on, back on, back on.
Yeah, Hydra Silk is the truth. New mech. The
Yeah,
Hydra Silk is the truth.
yeah. It's like, I don't even think we give that one enough play, but when I tested Hydra Silk, I did like wash and goes, and I would not put any more product to see how many days I could go and if it was going to get sticky or hard or crunchy. And
Doesn't it?
it doesn't, it's like, it's so neutral. It's almost like it's just, it dries soft, but it just amazing. So I do my twist outs with it now. I'll probably twist out maybe tomorrow or Friday morning. Probably Friday morning. I'm cleaning my house tomorrow. I'm gonna twist out, and I'll twist out with a little bit of serum and the Hydra Silk, and I may put it through rods on the ends, and it dries nice. Like everyone who uses it loves it.
Okay, I'm feeling, I'm feeling back to life again.
Right. Your hair looks good. And when it dries and her curls set, like her hair really is curly. It just needs to dry. Yep, just needs to dry. So Hydra Silk, you guys, is like, it's a restorative, moisturizing, hydrating cream leave-in. It's amazing. It is really amazing. Oh yeah, you can use a serum on a wash and go because it helps. It's a heat protector, but it also helps the hair retain moisture. So the serum has become one of our big sellers. A lot of people order serum, like reordering serum. No, it's not just for blow dry. You can definitely do a wash and go. Whenever I put gel on my hair, or I know I'm going to put, some styling foam or something, I always put SilkOut serum first because that just helps like the hair retain moisture. But this Hydra Silk is so moisturizing that you could go without it. But I'm telling you, if for those who have experienced SilkOut serum as a moisturizer, it's really good. It doesn't have a hold factor. Like I used to actually style some of my curly clients' hair, and it would curl up. It would be soft, but it wouldn't hold the curl because there's no hold in it. It is to moisturize the hair, help the hair retain moisture, help seal the cuticle. If you're straightening the hair, help block out the humidity so your silk press lasts. But it can be used alone. What you doing now? What you doing now? What you doing now? She's enjoying this, you guys. She is really enjoying this. Oh, she got a little sway. Oh, yeah.
I never knew how people would have their edges like laid down, and I would always see that, but then once you introduced me to Slay, I'm like, I even bought some when I was in the Bahamas from
Justina.
I was like, oh, I need some Slay. This, whew. And what I like about all your products is that they smell good, they feel good, they don't smell chemically, and they don't, and they don't have my hair sticky or messed up.
Way
like the
down,
day, the next day, I feel like, I feel as light as I did the first day,
right.
So let me put a little bit of
Portland
edges. Portland, wagwan. Okay. Let's see. Just use a little bit of this. I love this. This is one of my favorite products. Am I doing it right?
You are, but that's a little. Try to spread that around. That's a little much.
Yeah, I put a little too much on there. Yeah.
And normally you would wait for it to dry. I've never done it while it's wet, but you would wait for it to dry. But hey, I learn something new every day. I learn something new every day.
No.
I learn something new every day. See, I'm not personally a edges person, but I get it. People are. That's why I launched it because customers like their hair to be slick. And maybe that actually, now that I have grown my hair out, maybe I could use it around the edges. Maybe I'll do a demo one day.
It kind of holds it down for me. I like that.
Yeah, and it has a matte finish, so it doesn't dry greasy. Like once it's dry, it has a matte finish. And being that you wet your hair, if you was just to like re-dampen your hair, like if I don't know if you use the replenish to moisturize and reactivate.
Replenish my friend.
Okay, so you could actually just to reactivate the product on the hairline, you could just mist it and then re-smooth it, and it just reactivated, and you can restyle it.
Okay.
All right, that looks good. Once it dries, it's gonna be even better.
It feels good. Okay. I've been here since May. I was working on the house and just getting moved in. And so I really, I just used your shampoo, like maybe what, 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks
Hmm.
ago when I got it. So my hair was kind of suffering and I got it colored and I was like, damn, I shouldn't have got it colored. I should have, went all the way to an hour and a half drive from me or 2 hour drive to go get it a SilkOut treatment, but I just didn't have the time. And so this came right on time.